Well, the shutdown in Washington now having ripple effects here at home. The National Flood Insurance Program is on pause, and that means policy renewals and new coverage that's stalled right now.
That's right. WDSU's Jonah Gilmore explains how that leaves residents and their wallets in limbo. Jonah?
Yeah, Stella, Gina, as you can imagine, all eyes are on Washington right now as many people in our area wonder if their flood insurance policies will resume and when they could see a reduction they've been promised.
The decisions seem like they are being made and there is no effect on our city or on our state, but those things directly affect us.
The federal government shutdown is now hitting home, impacting families across southeast Louisiana.
The trickle-down effect of grand things that happen.
For thousands of families, the National Flood Insurance Program is on pause. That means renewals and new policies are stalled, leaving some homeowners anxious.
All the delays, and sometimes people just can't keep waiting, and who knows how long it'll be.
Weeks ago, Jefferson Parish celebrated a reduction in flood insurance premiums thanks to a higher flood protection rating, but now those savings are also on hold.
It's a problem right now for people who are looking for immediate relief.
In a statement, the state's deputy insurance commissioner says while the NFIP is lapsed, existing policies will not be renewed and new policies will not be issued, which means those decreases will not be applied until the program is reauthorized and the policies are issued or renewed.
Leads to issues with a lot of people who have mortgages, right? And they're required to carry the insurance. Not only that, obviously, they're running the risk of their homes flooding and not having flood insurance.
Until the shutdown ends, residents say the uncertainty is stressful, especially in a state where flood insurance is more of a necessity than an option.
I hope that they're able to make some sort of consensus on whatever needs to be made to make sure that it doesn't last very long.
And you know, Gina, Sella, with the shutdown's timeline still unclear for a lot of people, the question is not when will the government reopen, it's when will their coverage resume. Reporting live in New Orleans, Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.
Yeah, good point there, Jonah. Thank you so much.